don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the international friendly Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by Utavuyo.
First of all, I would love to greet fans too.
Yeah.
And again, ngiyabonga ukuba la ekhaya for the second time today. It's my privilege and honor mfowethu.
Yeah.
And I wish God can bless you ngesponsor sakho senzayo mfowethu.
Thank you.
Nase stadium nala studio. Okay, let's come to the game when Dusty.
Kulmana.
The game I'm not happy about in 21. I'm results of the game.
Yes.
This is not the team that we're supposed to play a draw with today.
We can't.
Yeah.
We can't.
Remember, Stibo, when we're talking about building a national team,
Sure.
we're talking about a team that will compete in the World Cup.
Yes.
We have World Cup coming.
Yes.
And if we have World Cup coming, remember we'll be dealing with the players like Abu Spain, players like Germany, England, Italy.
Netherlands.
So those players, they have players like the likes of Abu Yamil Yamal. You know what I mean? Mbappe. You know what I mean? So if we don't win our games are so when we're playing our local team, Abu Makelwane, Abu Tanzania, you know, Abu Zimbabwe. So we need to ask ourselves, as a national team, as the Bafana, where are we going?
Yeah.
You understand?
Very.
Because in life,
Yes.
you build to go forward.
Yes.
You don't build to go back.
Yes.
Ngizele out eqeda ukuphuma la ngimamele ithi happy about the game. If we are really a fan that knows football, you can't tell me you are happy about what we saw now.
Can't be.
I was listening to EF Time when Kone was talking Lapayana Nalocheri Lomunya Bambizo coach.
Yes, yes.
Police, he should have done better with first half.
Via?
Our chances are what Tolil.
Sure.
He moves in the right tracks. You know what I mean?
Yes.
He moves in the right tracks, and he's got a player, supplier.
Sure.
Remember, this is the player that Gupulukwani City, I think he's rated as the best player.
Yes.
And this is the player that is wanted by teams in the Betway Premiership.
Yes, true.
The likes of Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates. So I was expecting him to do better with first half.
True.
Okay. I cannot judge him. I don't know why. Maybe pressure. Because you know, when you are a player at that caliber, people expect a lot from you.
Yes.
Especially when you are a striker.
Yeah.
So, okay, coach wamkeep.
Sure.
Wafaga the likes of Mfukeng.
Sure.
We know Mfukeng. He's a good boy, plays good football, amazing football.
Yeah.
Hence, my brother said, there's some changes. Ithi ngibeke kanje wena my man. Coach amasaba wenzile. Athe ukuchange igame.
Yeah.
Second half.
Yeah.
But as a national team, we cannot afford ukubona ama results afana nala. Esiwabone ebafaneni abancane. I think it was Monday.
Yes.
Yes. These boys, this is the first team.
Andoda.
We're expecting a win here. And you know enye into na Bruwami notice ngama game aso nabo coach. Other countries, they will tell you that a friendly game to us, you play as if it's a final. You go all out.
Every game is serious.
Every game is a final.
Yeah.
Kwamanye ama-team ayisebenzile nto ukuthi i-friendly game today, hey what you play as if it's a final.
Isebenza kuBruce man.
KuBruce
Hayi.
angazi wena mfowethu.
Uyasikhabatha.
Uyasikhabatha. Mina I'm happy about i-game, but the results I'm not happy at all mfowethu. We have the likes of lo mfana ohluphayo wePirates abadubana uNkotha.
Yes.
That boy umnandi.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Umnandi, but then I think ithi ngizokwazi ukudedela namanye amajimbosi yabona.
Because of time.
Yeah, and coming to coach wami, coach Hugo Broos not selecting ama-player we-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Besicela ezamafeni we-Chiefs ukuthi angeke azositshela ukuthi out of all these players esinawo laphayana alikho neli-one angalichoose. Neli-one. We played the final in Nedbank. Marty scored a winning goal ye-Chiefs to lift up that trophy. He wants to tell us ukuthi can't he give him an opportunity. One opportunity. Then I'm right off after. So to Hugo Broos, when it's coming to Kaizer Chiefs not selecting ama-player with Chiefs, mina as of your GP, ngicela nalento le wenze sure ukuthi yafike ne-children. Mina I'm not happy about Hugo Broos not selecting not even one single player of Kaizer Chiefs. If bekuya ngami kuba ngithi angangeni laphayana bamvalela amasango.
Enachulena.
Yebo. But yeah.
Bampene.
But I don't want to say that.
Bampene.
But
bampene.
Besicela nje ukuthi akhe ayibheke ngelinye ilihlo le ndaba ukuthi angaselect neplayer li-1. But all in all ngicela ukuyirapa mfowethu amachita amile ngaphandle nabo they need to be given a chance.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.
But bampene Nachurena.
Bampene mfowethu